Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So we are continuing with the topic the southern plateau children. Okay, so continuing with that we are going to see the important rivers flowing in the Deccan Plateau region children. So there are two things we can observe here children. One is westward flowing rivers and another one is eastward flowing rivers. So the westward means it will rise in the mountains of the east and flow towards the Arabian Sea. Okay. So those rivers are Narmada and Tapi children. Okay. Those rivers are Narmada and Tapi. And then eastward, these rivers originate from the western Ghats and flow towards the east, that is, and drain into Bay of Bengal children. Okay, drain into Bay of Bengal. The rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Mostly you are familiar with these rivers children. Once again I repeat, eastward flowing rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri children. So here the Godavari, it is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau children. It is the longest plateau in the Deccan region, and in the westward rivers Narmada and Tapi, they are not perennial children. What is mean by perennial means the water will not be flowing throughout the year. If it rains only, these rivers get the water. Otherwise, the water will not be flowing. Very low quantity will be flowing children. Okay, so what happens as these rivers flow and make the region of the Deccan Plateau very fertile children. So most of the people in the Deccan Plateau are farmers. Okay, so many of them involved in agricultural activity children. Okay, so as these rivers flow, children, they form many waterfalls on their way. Okay, they form waterfalls. So you would have visited some picnic spots where you can find waterfalls. So you can remember children, waterfalls. So you have in India the Jog Falls children. Okay, on the Sharavati river. Jog Falls on the Sharavati river. Okay. It is also one of the famous falls children. It is in Karnataka. You are mostly aware of it children. Then because of these rivers, dams and tanks are built children. Okay. Because of these rivers, you have dams and tanks are built. Okay. So that we can use the water for agriculture and drinking purposes children. Okay, mainly people require water children. Okay, so they are the important rivers children. Okay, the next one is your importance of this plateau region. Okay, not only rivers flowing children, the Deccan Plateau is rich with mineral resources children. The Deccan Plateau is rich with mineral resources. Will come in all over India children, this Deccan Plateau gives only more quantity of resources. So what and all you can observe now? Iron ore, coal, mica, bauxite. So many varieties of ores you are able to get children. Okay, nowadays they are finding out in the Kaveri basin or Godavari basin gases children. Okay, so that can be used for as a fuel or for the cooking purposes also. So the Deccan Plateau is rich with mineral resources children. Because of this, factories are also being set up and then mining activities. So to dig out these things, it is called as mining. So mining activities also happens over there children. The next one, across the rivers, okay, hydroelectricity children. Using water, they produce electricity. So when you visit big dams now children, okay, they will be storing the water on one side and they make it to flow. So it is a procedure children. From that one also we can produce electricity. Okay, from the dams constructed now children, using the water you can produce electricity, children. Okay. And the next one, in your textbook also it is given over here, children. The joke falls in your textbook, and some of you would have visited also, children. Okay. And then these are the tea estate in Nilgiri Hills, children. Okay. Observe this. It's a nice picture. So tea estate in Nilgiri Hills, children. Okay. And then this Deccan Plateau has a black fertile soil, children. This Deccan Plateau has got a black fertile soil, black clayey soil also you can tell. So this soil is very good for growing of crops like sugarcane and cotton, children. Okay. This fertile soil is good for the crops of sugarcane and cotton, children. So these two crops are mostly grown over in the Deccan Plateau, children, apart from rice. So the river sides and all you can find the rice. Okay. So and then what about the climate? So climate, the summers are very hot and the winters are mild, children. And during monsoon season, the eastern Ghats and the western Ghats receive more rainfall, children. Okay. So now the monsoon season is happening, so we are getting rainfall, children. So during monsoon season, the western Ghats and the eastern Ghats receive more rainfall. But the interior of the Deccan Plateau is there, no? It will receive very less rainfall only, children. Okay. So these points you have to remember. Okay. You have to go with sentence by sentence, children. Then only you can understand. And then this black clayey soil is also called as cotton soil, children, as it is good for the growth of cotton. Okay. So once the other crops grown are groundnut, millets, oilseeds, rice are grown, children. Okay. So these are some of the crops mainly grown in the Deccan Plateau, children. The remaining topics we'll see in the next class, children. Thank you.